You want to add flams to your fills. I mean, why wouldn't you? That sounded sick. It's very simple, I promise. First, let's remove the flam from this fill so we can get the basics down. Right, right, left, right, kick. 1, triplet 2. 1, triplet. To get across from the snare drum to the floor tom, just allow your stick to kind of flip over a little. It can be a very subtle motion. 1, triplet 2. 1, triplet 2. Triplet 2. Then you just play the flam. So I personally play it right hand led, which means right hand goes up all the way, left hand goes up halfway, and you drop them at the same time. And you get a kind of delayed sound. 1, right, left, right, kick. It'll feel like you're doing a double right. And there you have it. Adding flams to your fills is more simple than you might think.